Welcome to MSM method. Subscribe it now. In this video I will show you how to create user login form in VB.net. So I will create a new project and select window form application. Now after resizing my form, I will add items like labels and text box from toolbox. So after adding these items, I will change label name as username and also label 2 as password. Now I will change its font size from its properties. So this is done. Now I will add text box and also change its font size from properties menu. Now I will add a button and name as login. So now follow my all steps carefully. Now I will change form background color from its properties. Now I will add new window form. From add new item. Actually this is a dashboard form. Now I will edit this label. Now we will start our coding in login button. Double click on it. Now let's start our coding. We will use if statements. Follow my steps carefully. Now we will run our application. Here you can see application is working properly. Now we will add else if statement. Follow these steps. Now we will run our application. Here you can see application is working properly. And all function are working like message box also appears if we enter wrong password. So friends, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. MSM method.